1300 by 2500 mm CO2 laser machine. CW 5200 water chiller, exhaust fan, exhaust pipe, air pump, laser tube, etc. Put laser tube into the laser holder. Then connect water inlet pipe. And connect high voltage wire. Connect low voltage cable. Fix the laser tube. Fill purified water into water chiller. Connect water chiller outlet with machine inlet. Connect water chiller inlet with machine outlet. And connect water chiller signal cable. Then connect power cable. And connect air pump with air inlet by air pipe. Fix exhaust pipe by close ring. Connect machine power cable and prepare start machine. Please make sure first let water chiller working. The water normally circulates in the laser tube. Adjust laser path between laser tube and the first reflecting mirror. Please make sure the sport is in the center of mirror. If not, adjust location or height of the first reflecting mirror or laser tube. If the laser already installed when you received, you can ignore this step. Adjust laser path between the first and the second reflecting mirror. Click pulse separately on the right and left side of X-axis. Please make sure two spots coincide with each other and near to the center of the mirror. Adjust focus distance between laser head and working piece by focus tool. Connect laser machine with computer XP or Win 7 by USB cable. You can use U-Disk Inset computer and install the Rueda software which we sent you. Make simple file by Rueda Work Software. Set different color for engraving or cutting content. Set engraving or cutting speed and output power separately. Preview the processing path. Download file to laser machine. Found file through operation panel. Adjust focus distance between laser head and working piece by focus tool. You should adjust focus distance every time for different thickness materials. Then machine will start work according to your file.